Sekube izinsuku ezine zokuphalala kwegazi eKapa. Amaphoyisa amabili adutshulwa abulawa ngesikhathi ehlaselwa phakathi kwamabili aphucwa nezibhamu. Okusele endaweni yesigameko amafastela afile emoto ekade ihamba lamaphoyisa. Ithimba lama-Hawks liyasiphenya lesigameko.
The Western Cape government regards this latest spate of killings as an attack on the state and a clear declaration of war by gangs. We have impressed upon police management to pull all resources to get the guilty ones, not only the foot soldiers, but the gang leaders behind bars.
UFritz uthi umnyango wakhe uzoqapha amacala ngeso lokhozi uqinisekisa ukuthi yaphenywa ngokuphelele. Ukubulawa kwalamaphoyisa kulandela esinye isigameko sokudutshulwa kwabantu abane eLost City eTafelsig eCape Flats.
When we come, there was 4 people lying around here, full of blood. And I think it's not fair. I think the community must all stand with each other.
Namhlanje ntambama isisulu esikhule kunazo zonke uIshmael Abrahams oneminyaka engama-48 ubekwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina ngokuhambisana nenkolo yama-Muslim. Njengoba ukwentuleka kwemisebenzi kuthinta cishe yonke imizi kule ndawo, umphakathi ubhekene nengwadla yamaqembu eyigelekeqe. Inhlangano ebhekele ukuphepha komphakathi eCape Flats ichaza isimo saseMitchells Plain njengesibucayi kakhulu, kanti umphakathi ukhathazeke kakhulu.
Our children are feared for their life. Women and children can't walk to the shop. Then they shoot at you. The police are doing absolutely nothing. And the gangsters that killed that man, they knew he was an old man. They didn't think, they didn't listen to what the people were shouting here.
NgoLwesine kwabulawa intsha embili eneminyaka eli-13 kanye ne-18 kwalimala abathathu esigamekweni sokudubula esenzeka eBeacon Valley nokuyindawo engaqhelile naseTafelsig.